Hello and welcome back to another Unreal Engine 5 tutorial. This is the Game Foundry, and in today's video I will show you how to create a basic enemy spawner system in Unreal Engine 5. Before we start the video, I'd like to ask you to give a like and subscribe to the channel. We publish videos here every week and I hope that I can help you on your journey. So let's get started. The first thing that I will do is create a new blueprint class that will be our spawner BP. Open this blueprint and let's start with the event graph. Let's delete all that we don't need and let's add a node for loop. Let's put the number of repetitions, and the repetitions will represent the number of enemies that we will spawn. Now let's add the node spawn actor of class and let's select our enemy BP here, okay? To spawn the enemies in a random radius close to the spawner, let's get a range bound point in radius. At orange, let's get actor location and radius set to 500. But if you press play now, you'll see that enemies don't move. This happened because have a problem in the spawn. Then let's go to our enemy BP, class default, and search spawn. Go to the class, the AI, and change to place in the world or spawn it. That's it guys, thank you for watching. Please give a like and subscribe to the channel. We publish new videos here every week and I hope that I was able to help you with this, okay? Bye bye, see you next video.